I'm Cindy Wright Johnson. I am the EMS for Children's Program Director at MIMS. The Winterfest EMS Conference has been a conference that we have offered pediatric 8-hour workshops at for at least 2 decades. This central location that pulls people from both the Western Shore and the Eastern Shore of Maryland allows people to spend a focused day looking at the needs of children. The course we are offering is S.T.A.B.L.E. S.T.A.B.L.E is a course that is focused on taking care of highly vulnerable infants. One of the best things that the S.T.A.B.L.E course does is highlight those critical interventions that an infant needs and the things that we do not need to do for an infant that is not clinically stable. Children may be 25% of the citizens in our state, but they are only 8 to 10% of the EMS transports.
I was excited to see a class on neonate care because it's not a population that I get to deal with a lot.
Something you don't do very frequently usually increases anxiety. And if we can combine new knowledge with hands-on skills, we're able to empower that clinician to take that experience out into the field.